Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is Sharon. How are you doing? So you all know that I'm not good at nail painting, but I like to challenge myself. So I was like looking for something like a nail painted but not too difficult. And then I saw this picture on the right and I was like, okay, that's it. I'm gonna try to do that with everything that I already have in hand. So now let's get started. So the first step is always prep your nails. If you already know how to do it and you already know how important a good nail prep is, then you can just go ahead and skip this part. However, if you're a newbie, I would highly suggest that watch through it because nail prep is so essential. Basically, it would define how long your nail would last. So first of all, use the cuticle pusher to push back your cuticles. Then use the nail nipper to cut off any dead skin. Here, you want to take your time because you just want to cut the dead skin off. You don't want to hurt yourself. Clean it with your nail brush. Use a medium-grade tan file to buff off the surface of your nail bed. I'm using 91% alcohol to clean off any dust around the fingertip. Then I'm applying a dehydrator and a primer to remove any oil and adjust the pH level of my nail bed. I'm using this extend gel for nail tips. It comes with our gel tips kit. This is the best nail glue that I've ever used. Cure it for 30 seconds under my LED lamp. And then follow the same steps on all other nails. Since I'm gonna create a coffin shape, I'm gonna go ahead and use my nail cutter to trim my nails down to the length that I like. I'm using my hand file to shape the edge of my nail tip. If you don't have an e-file, of course you can also use the hand file to flatten off the connecting part of your nail tips. But of course, an e-file will make the work much faster. I'm taking a medium grit sanding bit to flat off the surface of the nail tip. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and apply a layer of base coat. Here you can use the regular base coat, come with any of our all-in-one kit, or use the extend gel that come with our gel tips kit. Use the alcohol to wipe off any excess base coat around the cuticle. Then give it a fully cure for 1 minute. All of the polygel that I'm going to use today are all from our all-in-one kit. This kit is our best-selling kit. If you're looking for a gift option for this holiday season to your loved ones, this is a good option. I'm gonna put the shopping link in the description box below. Please check it out. So I'm basically using the 2-beat method. Actually, it's not a 2-beat. It's one stripe and a beat. Anyways, the shape is not important. The concept of this method is do not apply too much polygel at one time. Look, right now I just apply a thin layer to cover the whole nail tips. You barely can see any apex, right? Here's the thing. If you're newbie to polygel, it's gonna take a longer time for you to shape it perfectly with a bigger amount of the gel. Also, a good apex needs a certain thickness to keep the nail strong. However, if the polygel is too thick, I think everybody knows it's not easy to cure through. So I would prefer to apply it like a 2-layer or even 3 to make sure every layer is simple enough to work with and cure fully through. Just take your time to perfect the shape, no rush at all. Polygel is really beginner friendly because it can only be cured under the LED lamp. So take the time as much as you want to sharpen your skill. I'm still not very happy about the shape, so I'm adding another bead. You will make it faster and faster once you get more practice. Okay, looks good. I'm gonna cure it for 1 minute. I'm gonna apply the same color on my index finger and my pinky. And I'm gonna apply white color on my middle finger. And black color on my ring finger. It doesn't look very good, right? But no worries, I'm gonna use my hand file to shape it. Now I'm taking my medium grit sand bead to smooth off the surface of the nail. Then I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hand carefully with the soap to remove any dust. Here I'm applying the matte gel base coat. A thin layer will do the work. Cure it for 1 minute. Now I'm gonna go ahead taking my black and white gel nail polish to create my nail art. So first, I'm using my dotting tool to create the center of my flower. I'm gonna leave some space for the white color. Okay. So here I tried 2 ways to create the petals. First one is using the dotting tool. Then use my little nail liner to shape it better. And then I just go ahead and use the very tip of my liner to create the petals directly. I think it's much easier, and the outcome I think is even better. It's not easy to work with it, so I have to change my position all the time. I probably should have practice some yoga. I like to give it a flash cure every time I finish one flower. It's only me, okay? You don't have to do that, because I am clumsy. I always make a mess when I'm doing hand painting. I would easily mix the black color and the white color together. So after a flash cure, if I make a mistake, which I almost definitely know that I will, I can just wipe it off without breaking any other flowers. Otherwise, I would probably wipe off the whole nail and then redo it. It's gonna take me forever. Okay, all of the painting part is done. Yay! I love it. I really love it. I feel proud of myself. Anyways, okay, you guys know me, right? Blings. Yeah, I cannot live without blings. So here, I'm still using the same glue that come from the gel tips kit. It's actually a 3-in-1 nail glue. It can be used as a base coat, nail glue, and even slip solution. So check it out if you're interested. So the last step, apply some cuticle oil and give some gentle massage. And this gorgeous set is done. I really love it. So if you have any questions about it, please leave the comments below. Again, I'm not a professional nail technician, so if I can do it at home, you can do it too. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it would inspire you a little bit. If you like this video, please hit the like button below and remember to subscribe and hit the little bell so you will receive the notification every time we have new updates. Y'all have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye, beauties!